Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Miller. I am a lecturer of journalism and media in the Department of Communication in the School of Arts and Letters. And today I'm going to be talking to you all more about my journalism multimedia storytelling class. The Facet Innovative Award that I have been nominated for is the creative use of online tools. So let's dive in and see what I do. Without reading all of my course objectives, essentially what my students are doing is learning what it's like to be a journalist in today's age. It means more than just going out and interviewing people and researching a story and putting together a story that's going to be published online. It means having to engage more with their audience by using different tools and techniques such as data visualizations, infographics, interactive maps, and much more. Over the course of the semester, the students will be responsible for producing 5 individual projects, and then at the very end, they will be working with a partner for a group project in which they will basically apply all of their individual project knowledge and what they've done into this larger project. So the 5 individual projects are an infographic, an interactive map, data visualization, photo editing, and then an audio video editing assignment. Finally, as I said, the students will be working together with a partner on a group project in a concept called scrolly telling. In this day and age, when people go to get their news, they're most likely on their phones. And when they're looking, what are they doing? They're scrolling. So a concept of scrolly telling takes the idea of storytelling and scrolling and it puts them together. And so students are using free software that they can learn how to create a site, not necessarily a website, but like a web page that allows them to have the reader scroll through interactive materials to tell a story. All right, everybody. So this is an example of scrolly telling. So this is a website called Shorthand. It is also a free website that allows a user to create one free scrolly telling page. And it's unlimited in the amount of items that you can add. So I created one for the multimedia storytelling class to give them an overview of the course, but also what it is that they're going to be doing within the class to give them just an idea of what it is. So as you can see, as I'm scrolling through the page, different items are popping up on the screen. So the first is the course objectives, and then I can customize the screen. The students can customize their screens with different photos and different icons, adding different text to the page. So there's my different course objectives and what it is that they're going to be learning. Now, all I'm doing is just scrolling down the page. And that, again, is the idea of scrolly telling. So students can add images like this and text. So this is going over the different assignments. So what I'd like to do very quickly is show you some examples of some of the work that my students have produced this semester. So the first individual assignment was the interactive infographic. So this is just an example of what an interactive infographic looks like. So the first icon here, you can click on it and it's going to take you to the next page. And then as students go through like different features, wiggle or move, click on them, it pops up a screen, takes you to the next page. And then the next idea, so like, having different transitions and having text pop up on the screen is really neat. For the next assignment, which is the interactive map, so this is just an example of the type of map that they would be creating. So as you can see, the first slide shows an example of these are all the different stops that this road trip is going to take you on. And then they have their main slide with an overview of it. And then as the students click through and scroll along, as you can see, it moves along the map. And so it's showing the user a closer shot of what it is, a title, a description, and then a link if they want to learn more information that could take them to an outside page. For the data visualization, so this is where students had to put together some different charts. And the interactive feature here is that when you highlight over the different text, when little windows pop up to offer clarification for the users. And then down here, they also could create other types of charts and graphs that are interactive, that are useful. So it's finding ways of taking data like this and making it engaging and useful to the reader. And also, of course, interactive, which everybody loves to be. Thank you again for the nomination, and I hope you guys have enjoyed what you've seen here today. Thank you.